Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. In the next 4 to 5 months, we are expecting the notification of IRDI grade A examination. And one common question that is there in the mind of the aspirants is that is it too tough to crack IRDI grade A? This is something that we are going to talk as a part of this session. But before we do that, as you can see in this footer, that PYQs play very important role as a part of your preparation. And in order to have access to PYQ, we have provided a link in the description box. You can click over that link, you can download them, and you can analyze the trend and pattern with respect to IRDI examination. Now, in order to continue this session, I have Jalas sir with me. Welcome, sir.
Right. Thank you, Jaskaran sir. So first of all, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, sir. I'm doing well, and we all know the purpose of this video. That over here we are going to talk about the fact that whether it is too difficult to crack IRDI grade examination. So, sir, what is your opinion regarding that? Do you think that it is really very difficult, or is it too easy with respect to this exam?
So seeing this exam for past 2 years and talking to multiple students, definitely this exam is not that easy. Because we as a faculty will not misguide you. This exam is not that easy. Now, if you take the example of a student who is studying day in and day out, he is studying day in and day out for the exam of IRDI. For them, definitely this exam will be moderate. For them, this exam will be moderate. मेहनत उसको भी करनी पड़ेगी. But if you are that particular student who is just living in their own la land, that I will clear this exam in the first attempt, I have given RBI, I have given UPSC, and I will clear this exam just like चुटकी बजा के, that is not going to happen. Okay, so the major understanding before we start this particular video, yes, the exam is tough, but if you study dedicatedly for next coming 4 to 5 months, as Jaskaran sir has also said, that it's like notification will definitely come in next to 5 months, right? So if you study dedicatedly for next coming 4 to 5 months, this exam will be moderate level for you. But if you are living in your own fancy land, then sorry to say this exam is like the toughest exam which you will ever face. Now also, let's continue this particular video by understanding the difficulty for phase 1 and phase 2. Okay. First of all, sir, what is the paper pattern of phase 1? Just give us the quick analysis of that.
Yes, if we talk about the paper pattern with respect to phase 1, then basically it includes 4 papers. और ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बहुत कुछ आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स चीज़ है. आप बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करिए, स्पेशली रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज, आपको यही पैटर्न दिखाई देगा. हेयर वी हैव रीजनिंग, वी हैव इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, वी हैव जीए एंड वी हैव क्वांट्स. सर, डू यू थिंक दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एडवांटेज फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी कवरिंग फॉर ईदर रेगुलेटरी एग्जाम्स और मे बी बैंकिंग एग्जाम? डू यू थिंक दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न ऑफ phase 1 is going to help them some kind of advantage?
Definitely, sir. Because if you are preparing for RBI, you are preparing for the toughest level, SBI, PO, IBPS, PO. Definitely, these exams are tough nut to crack. So, IRDI will help you over there. But at the end of the day, you have to remember these 4 basic points which we will discuss with you. First of all, the paper level over here, reasoning, quant, GA, and your English is of easy to moderate, sir. Easy to moderate as in some questions are like very good to solve as in like they can be like you can just solve them in like I would say what like GA questions can be solved in less than 10 seconds if you know the answer, but if you don't know the answer then it will take your ages. Okay, so the paper level is easy to moderate, it's not tough. The major problem which students face over here is of lengthy. Like the paper which you see over here is of 90 minutes. You have to complete all the 160 questions in 90 minutes, which is again a very big ask. So what you have to do over here is practice a lot of mock test. Okay, even if you are preparing for SBI PO, IBPS PO, or RBI, NABARD, or any other exam, mock tests are must. I mean, it's must to do. So over here also you have to give a lot of mock test. And once you are giving lot of mock test, make sure that you are checking your accuracy plus the attempts. It should not be like that you are attempting 160 on 160, but your accuracy is hardly 50%. That will not help you. And if you see the last year cutoff, 2024 cutoff, it was hardly, sir, it was not like it was kind of too much surprising for me. It was like 109 out of 160, which was again a very big ask. So if you see, mock test will help you with good number of attempts plus accuracy. Your accuracy should be above 90%. If it is less than 90%, you are digging a hole for yourself. Okay, last but not the least, GA is the key. See, if you are preparing for RBI or for any other regulatory body exam, make sure that you have your GA on your, I would say what, in your tips. By which I mean that you should be becoming a master of GA, right? 4 to 5 months of GA. If you have less time, then do for 3 months. But if you see 40 marks are allocated to GA, 40 marks are allocated to GA, right? So if I was on your place, my target will be at least 35 in this section. 35 is needed if you want to clear IDAI grade A. And if we talk about total number of attempts, the good number of attempts, that depends upon the paper level. But if we see the paper pattern of 2023, 2024, anything above, I would say 120 is a good attempt. But un attempt mein, if you do not have accuracy, that again will not matter. Okay, so 120, 130 is a very good attempt with good number of accuracy. That will make sure that you are completing your IDAI phase 1. But again, ये सिर्फ उससे ही होगा जो मेहनत करेगा. Those who are willing to work hard will find this particular paper easy to moderate. But those who are not working at all, they are just going to waste their time. They are just going to give their money to IBPS just for free. उनके लिए ये एग्जाम टफ ही रहने वाला है because 90 minutes 160 question is a big ask, sir. Any other comments, sir?
Yes, sir. मेरा भी same opinion है. As you have said that first of all, the focus should be on the revision. First, study the content, revise it multiple times, and solve mock test paper. Mock test paper are going to help you with accuracy as well as with the time management. So that is also my viewpoint, sir. Let us now move on to the phase 2 as far as this exam is concerned. So this is the phase 2, and we know that phase 2 is totally descriptive in nature. Fine. And unlike I would say other regulatory bodies exam, for example RBI, NABARD, over here the descriptive paper that you have to attempt it using the pen and paper. Unlike the RBI and NABARD where you have to use the keyboard, so you have to type over there. So that is I would say a differentiating factor as far as this phase 2 pattern is concerned. Fine. What do you think, sir, is going to be the game changer as far as the descriptive paper is there?
Sir, as you said, the game changer is descriptive writing only. Because English, ESI impacting insurance, and insurance in management, these three papers, you have 1 hour, if I'm not wrong, for each paper, right? Yes, you have 60 minutes, which is 1 hour for each paper. Questions are lengthy. Questions are quite unique sometimes. They are based on current affairs and the static knowledge. So if I rank NABARD, RBI and IDAI or any other regulatory body, I think per se, speaking for myself only, IDAI becomes tough. Because in RBI you still have 90 minutes, right, for descriptive part. But over here you have 60 minutes only. Okay, sir. So this is why IDAI becomes comparatively more, I would say, difficult when it comes to descriptive writing. But sir, you are a faculty of descriptive writing over here. If you like we have previously talked that if you are doing descriptive writing for RBI, how can that student target IDAI descriptive writing? What are some tips?
Yes, sir. The most important tip is the time management. Trust me, time management is going to play a very important role as far as the descriptive paper is concerned. As sir have also said that you will be having 60 minutes per question per paper. So the thing is that basically time management is very very important. You cannot write, I would say, those things that are not asked as a part of the question. You have to be very precise. You have to make sure that you are meeting the demand of the question, and then only you will be able to finish the paper on time. So that is, I would say, the most important thing. Apart from that, yes, you need to practice answer writing. You need to draw some flow charts, fine, so that you are able to manage your time and you are also able to write the quality answer. So all those things are common, I would say, but this is, I would say, is one of the most important factor, which is the time management regarding the descriptive paper. And yes, not last but not the least, I would say the mock test. Just like we said in the phase 1 also, here also the mock tests are going to play very important role. They will help you to deal with the time issues and also with respect to the word limit only. You will be getting a good hand over that.
Right. And if you are writing at least 2 answers per week, if you are a working aspirant, then write 1 answer on computer like you are doing in the usual manner, but write 1 answer on pen and paper also. Like use the descriptive of IDAI. So you have to make sure that if IDAI is your target, you are also making sure that techniques are different. RBI technique is different, IDAI technique is different. And yes, please be to the point. There is no need to become a Shakespeare in your exam. There is no need to write all that fancy language. Just be to the point and try to reduce your errors. And sir, I think handwriting also plays an important role. For example, my handwriting is very, very bad. Right. But if you go in the exam and if you panic, your handwriting becomes worst. So handwriting also plays a very important role. Plus the space which they give you for writing your answer is also limited. So that is why I say IDAI will become difficult for those who have a very weak hand on descriptive. Right, sir? Any other point which makes IDAI more difficult? I think, sir, it is all about, like, if you see a question, how to write it. That point is also very much a big pain point for the student. So can you address it?
Yes, I would say that yes, sir. As you said that, I would say please do not try to be Shakespeare as a part of your answer. Apart from that, as sir has said that you're required to practice mock test paper, also sort of thing. These things are eventually, I would say, those ultimate things which are going to help you in the examination also. And yes, regarding handwriting should be legible. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत सजाकर लिख रहे हैं because of course you would be writing fast. तो speed की वजह से कहीं ना कहीं handwriting compromise होगी, but it should be legible.
Yeah, and sir, are the students allowed to make flow charts, triangles, squares? What is your comment?
Yes, I think they can do that. बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इट कैन क्रिएट अ नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन. तो लिमिट में करो, बट ऑफ कोर्स फ्लो चार्ट आपको कहीं ना कहीं हेल्प करेंगे अपने पॉइंट्स को जनरेट करने में और कम टाइम में, सो दैट यू आर एबल टू डील विद बोथ वर्ड लिमिट एज वेल एज द टाइम लिमिट. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सॉरी सर, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमने पहले भी एक वीडियो निकाली थी जस्ट अभी कुछ हफ्ते पहले, जहां पर हमने बात की थी कि अगर आप आरबीआई जैसे एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, सो अलॉन्ग विद दैट हाउ यू कैन टारगेट IRDI also. So you can watch that video also. It will give you a better insights that how basically you can deal with all those things.
And sir, here I would also like to mention that EduTap is doing a lot for descriptive writing. Perspective 360 degree is taken by sir only on every alternative day, Monday, Wednesday and Friday if I'm not wrong, at 5 p.m. So if you are facing problem, कहाँ से क्वेश्चन लाने हैं, कैसे क्वेश्चन करने हैं, डू जॉइन द सेशन. इट्स completely free and we will evaluate your answer as well. So this is all about, I would say, what paper pattern for phase 2. Again, my friends, it's tough, it's not that easy, but again, if you are studying daily, it's moderate. One more thing, not doing too much. See, this point basically means what? That components like insurance, components like management and ESI impacting insurance, they are as wild as ocean. They are as big as ocean. So if you want to travel from one point to the second point or to the last point of ocean, it will take some time. But at the same time, if you want to drink the entire water of that ocean, it's not possible. So just cover the ocean, just cross the ocean. It should not be like that you are trying to understand every concept in insurance, every concept in management, every concept in ESI impacting insurance. So what you have to do is pick the syllabus, see the previous year questions, and make your scope. That whatever falls under this scope, I will study. Do not try to drink the entire water of ocean. Simple, sir, right? Yes, because that will make students' life horrible. So read to the point. The paper is small over here. By small, I mean you have 60 minutes only, right? So you have to make sure that you have your zone identified, that this question I will target, this question I will leave, this question I will target, this question I will leave. And there are multiple options which are also available in a die paper. Like in 15 markers, you can get 2 questions. You have to pick one. So pick that question only which falls under the scope which we have discussed. Okay. So do not cover everything. Try to do majority of things. हिंदी में बोलूँ तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें करनी है, सब कुछ नहीं करना है. That's it. Now my friends, that's it for our today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just we will show you our courses which we are offering you for EDI grade A. Jaskaran sir, please open our website. Yes, you can go on our edutap.co.in. You have to just go on courses and open EDI courses. Yes, open EDI. Once you see your EDI courses, we are offering you multiple courses which will help you to develop your knowledge related to EDI. You will get concept notes, you will get your videos, you will get your summary sheets, plus you will also get multiple mini mock tests, full length mock tests, so that you can evaluate yourself on multiple parameters. The more you practice, the better it is, and it will help you to make sure that you are practicing in the best manner. Okay, now the website is getting hanged, I don't know why, but you can go over here, like in courses you can go. And once you go in courses, you will find multiple courses related to EDI. Okay, cool. So website is not opening, it's not our fault. But still, we have given you the hint that we are offering you gold course and silver course of EDI. Plus, we are offering you combo courses as well. And there is a huge discount running right now. You can check it on website as well. So that's it for this particular video. Bye-bye and have a good day ahead. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, and try to maintain the consistency.
Right. Bye.